is Hoyen. I'm the founder of Remo. First off, I am super excited to have you guys be at our second Distributed Valley. When Joe asked me to collaborate with him on this, I was super psyched, super happy about that. I'm gonna just walk you through briefly about, after that, we're gonna start with the conference. So the first thing is that our platform is all about networking. It's all about turning on your video, and we're a video first platform. It's pretty simple. If you want to move around, you double click on the table. And I'm just going to quickly share my screen here. Double click on any of these tables here. Let me know if you guys see my screen. And on the corners, you'll see these names like Code Capital Theater, Remote First Capital, Distributed Consulting on these corners here. Let me just pull it here. And once you click on these logos, you will then be teleported to that theater. And so during I put in the agenda for today. Actually, I'm going to put it in one more time into the chat. And please click on that. It will open up a new tab and check out the agenda and to see who are the speakers that you want. We will be doing a little bit of auto balancing. Some of the theaters will be full, like if it hits max capacity. And so we will, if it says full, it will say full, kind of like on the logo. If it says full, please click on another theater and enter that one. If you want to go from that theater back to the main lobby, just press the back button, and then you will go back to the main lobby if you want to network, for example. Also, don't worry, we will be recording all of the speakers and all of the individual speaking sessions. So, and we will be posting up so you won't miss a thing. Also, there will be a need help button on the bottom left corner of the OC. So if you guys have any problems, any challenges, please click on the need help button. My team at Remo, we are here. You'll see like our little logo beneath our circle. So please find them or click on the need help button and we will give you some chat support as well. Finally, there is on the top right corner, you'll see chat, participants, and Q&A. If you click on Q&A, you can add questions. And if there is time remaining in each of the sessions, we will try to get them answered. But each of the sessions are really jam-packed full of information. So I think you guys will have a great time with that. So without further ado, I'm just going to hand this back off to Cheung, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.